everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today, I'm back with another video on how to find friends on Clubhouse. If you'd like to search for people on Clubhouse, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to search for people on Clubhouse, the first thing to do is to go tap open your Clubhouse application from your app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account as well. Now, from the home page, go and tap on the magnifying glass at the top left corner. This will open up your Explore page. Here, you can search for people and clubs that you can follow. Go to the search box at the top and tap it on. If you'd like to search for people, make sure you are into the People tab. If you'd like to search for clubs, go to the Clubs tab and type in the name of the club that you'd like to follow. In the search result, tap on the group that you'd like to join in and simply tap on the Follow button to follow the group. Now you'll be notified whenever there are conversations occurring when you can join in. To search for people, go to the People tab and in the search box at the top type in the name of the people that you would like to find and follow. As you type in the name of the person, you'll be able to see the search results that will appear at the bottom. Find the person that you are looking for and tap on them. Now, simply tap on the Follow button as you reach to their profile. You'll now be following someone by finding them on Clubhouse. Profile page is where you'll find the person's bio, links to their Instagram or Twitter account, who invited them on Clubhouse, and the clubs they are a part of. If you tap on the star button at the top right corner, you'll be able to see the list of the people who follows the person or who the person is following. Once you follow the person on Clubhouse, you'll be notified each time they create or are speaking in a room that's available to you. That is how you can easily find friends for you to follow on Clubhouse. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.